Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance memory with the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 32GB DDR4 4000MHz kit. Designed to light up your system with vibrant, customizable RGB illumination, this memory module doesn't just look good, it's packed with power too. Featuring two 16GB sticks optimized for AMD X570 platforms, this kit offers blazing fast speeds at 4000 MHz, ensuring your system can handle whatever tasks you throw at it, whether it's gaming, content creation, or heavy multitasking. One of the standout features of the Vengeance RGB Pro is its dynamic lighting effects, powered by 10 ultra-bright, individually addressable RGB LEDs per module. With Corsair's ICE software, you have complete control over the lighting, allowing you to synchronize it across all your Corsair ICE-compatible products for a seamless, immersive lighting experience. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its compatibility with both Intel and AMD DDR4 motherboards. And with Corsair's reputation for quality and reliability, you can trust that this memory will perform flawlessly for years to come. Whether you're a hardcore gamer looking to take your rig to the next level or a content creator in need of lightning-fast performance, the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 32GB DDR4 4000MHz kit is an excellent choice. With its stunning RGB lighting, high-speed performance, and easy installation, it's the ultimate memory upgrade for any enthusiast. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.